In this video, we are going to learn how to create beautiful slides for professional presentation. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Text box, write Z here. Select and change the font. Also increase font size. Go to Insert, click on Shape. Select Rectangle, drag it. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete the unwanted part. Zoom out the slide. Increase font size in this way. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete the unwanted part. Select this and this, copy it. Go to the View tab, click on Slide Master. Zoom the slide and paste it here. Go to Format, go to Merge Shape and select Union. Go to Slide Master, click on Insert Placeholder, select Picture, drag it and send to back. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Go to Slide Master and close Master View. Click on New Slide and select Title Slide from here. Click icon to add picture. Here I have downloaded picture from Google. Select and insert it. Go to the first slide and copy it. Go to second slide and paste it here. Click on right button. Go to Format Shape. Go to Fill. Change the color. Go to Line. Select No Line and increase transparency. Go to Effect. Go to Shadow. Select this shadow from presets. For example, I am adding text boxes and PPT information here. Also select background color. Select this. Go to Animation tab. Select Fade Animation. Increase duration size. Select this. Click on Animation Painter and apply to this shape. Select Start with Previous. Select Text box. Apply Float in Animation. Go to Effect option. Select Float down. Select Start with Previous. Increase duration size and increase delay size. Animate the remaining text boxes using the Animation Painter. Also change the direction and increase the delay size. Now click on Slideshow. So look how cool your slide looks. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.